which is my desire, and I'll be at your side forevermore. Because your love keeps on lifting higher, 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 higher. Your love keeps on lifting higher, 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 higher. I'm going to make a change in the arrangement, at least I think. I thought about this. We should not do the cutoff, cutoff in the halfway. Let it ring throughout the whole thing.
When we do the cutoff?
When you don't cut off, I'm saying.
Okay.
So, the hits.
Yeah, okay.
Don't chop the hits up. So
make them whole notes.
Yep. So we'll do the out of the last chorus. Your love, let's see, because your love keeps on lifting, lifting higher, 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 higher. Your love keeps lifting me, so keeps on lifting me higher, 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 higher. Better. I'm so glad that I finally found you. Yes, that one million girl. When I wrap my loving arms around you, I'm ready, yeah, 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 face the world. Because your love keeps lifting me, so keeps on lifting me, lifting me, lifting me higher, higher. Your love keeps lifting me, keeps on lifting me higher, 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 higher. Once I was downhearted, disappointed man was my closest friend. But you came and you soon departed. This kid, because your love keeps lifting me, keeps on lifting me higher, 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 higher. Your love keeps lifting me, keeps on lifting me higher, higher, higher. Because your love is all lifting higher, 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 higher. Your love keeps on lifting higher, higher, higher,
Yes, that sounds good with the chorus going as whole notes. How about we do with Mickey on drums? Let's do the song that you and Adam did. The song that you and Adam sang the other night in New York. I'm told I had a good time. Coco learned Adam's part, the higher harmony, to sing with you. And what instrument would you like to play? Guitar again?
I might be She's got 'em.